Well, today is another beautiful day. First of all, I want to say hi to all my fans and all my friends that have been watching my video. Today I want to show you guys what I have for my how fast you can draw your pistol video that I have. I'm going to share a little bit about how good this gun is to me and the holster. So it's empty. As always, when you play a gun, you're not prepared to shoot, always that the gun is empty. Okay, so what I have here is Taurus. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's TH9. This gun is not very expensive. To be honest, I bought it $250. So, you know why I bought it? Because it feels good. It feels right to me. Okay? So, that's why I bought it. But it works pretty good for me. And on the holster, is Cytac. It's, I don't know if you guys can see it. CYTAC. See how tight this holder is. Very tough plastic. So here's a button here. Maybe you can see it. So in order to pull out your pistol, you press this down. Otherwise, it won't go. It's locked. So you have to press down like this. So, and to be honest with you guys, I don't usually come out here and practice like this every day. It's just every now and then I feel like, you know, I want to pull my guns out, I just do it. So after a while, you kind of get used to it. So that's why I did the video. But I probably got lucky on the video. May not, but you know, like I say, I'm not a professional, but I love gun, pistol stuff. So I just, you know, using them whenever I can. So, you know, you like stuff, you know, you create your own move, you create your own technique. But always remember that, you know, you have to think safety first, okay? And some people that like shoot different way, like this. I see people shoot like this. Some people shoot like this. But I like to shoot when I pull out from my pistol, my finger, my trigger finger is always be downside alongside with the gun. So when I'm ready to shoot, move down and shoot. Okay? But always keep it up here alongside the pistol. That way, you know that your hand is safe. Okay? Don't let it free like this. I don't like it. Because you might, you know, just pull your finger. So I always put my hand against the gun like this. So when I'm ready to shoot, that, yeah. And I always come up like this, alongside my other arm, straight, see how straight it is. Now that's my technique, okay? People can create their own technique, but that's how I like my technique to be, okay? So, yeah, and then I guess that's about it. Right? guys the can I shot. It's right here. It came out this way. See that? Almost had a bullseye too. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. Oh, I might get lucky. Not sure. I brought 2 cans. I got the first can, so it's pretty cool.